Removing a battery from a Honda Civic is quite simple. First, you're going to need your battery. You could go over to eBay. And then you need to remove this bolt. And you need to remove this one. Not these ones. You need to remove this one. Okay? And then you take the terminals off. And then you remove this bolt from here. And then you loosen these two. Right? And then you could take your battery out. That's simple. You also could use the pliers if you don't have like a 10 spanner. There you go. You could use one of these. This is the number 10 spanner. You could use to take these off. Or you could use a ratchet. That's what I call it. Just put the socket on this, like so. And then you could actually unscrew the bolts from here. And then you take that off. Then you do the same thing over here as I said before. Take this off as well. And then you take this off. And you take that off. And that's it. You can also use one of these, right? Like an adapter. Right, you could put the adapter in your drill. And then you just put this, the number 10. Just put it right on here like so. Right? And then you could just do that. Then just need to give it a bit more power. Give it a bit more power. And then I guess there's more. There you go. So you can actually take this one off now, like so. Right? You can do the same over here. You could just do the same thing over here. Like so. There you go, guys. So you loosen this one, you loosen this one, and then you loosen this one. So what you need to do is take that off. Put that aside, right? And then you take this off. Just lift it up like so. And then you put that aside. And as I said, we loosen this up. Hey guys, listen. You can go over to eBay and you can check these guys out. Tell you know, right? They're the people I got my batteries from. Okay, you could go over to eBay. You could go over to eBay and check them out, right? Okay, so we're gonna take this out. Focus. Okay, in this case, I just take off this one and just put that aside, like over there. Just put it over there, like so. And then you just take this off. This is like a cover case. Protected case for the battery, so you could take that off, put it aside, and then you could just hold the battery like that, and then you could just lift it out like that. Put that to the side, and we got the new batteries in there, so we're gonna take that out. As you can see, taking out the new battery. Okay, and that's green. And that one is dark. So, as I said to you, you could go over and check these guys out on eBay. That's their phone number, right? And now, just checking the voltage before you install a new battery. So at the moment, it's showing actually 12.68. So you know that's a good battery. Okay, so now we're gonna put this in. But remember, guys, very important. You need to remove these, right? These red things at the side. If not, your battery gonna explode. Okay, you really need to remove these things, okay, guys? These need to be removed when you receive your new battery, okay? So you need to take out this one from here. You need to take this one out from that side. So they're always two of them, right? And if you're gonna store a battery, you could put it back in this one for storage, right? But in this case, this battery, it's gonna go to the recycle place. I'm taking that to the recycle place. So now we got a new one, so we're just gonna install this one, okay? Can't stress it too much, guys. Listen, always remove these thing, okay? Right, so now I got the transport plug removed. We're gonna install it in the car. So now we're gonna take the battery. We're gonna put it up here. Remember, guys, where you take the battery, you know the red should go to the plus, and the blue go to the green over there, which is the earth or the grounds. Right, so that's the live for plus for live. So remember, do not put this one to that one, and do not put this one to that one. So you see, you got a plus in there, you got a plus in here, plus it's on the battery as well. So that's minus and plus. So the plus is always red for the red one, okay? And I don't know why they put blue, but hey, green over there. Right, so let's put this in. So the battery, we're going to turn it. We're going to actually turn it this way, and we're going to put it back in the area where the battery is supposed to go. So now we sit down in the battery tray. So now we're going to connect the live first, okay? So we're going to take this off. This is just like the protected thing for it. I'm just gonna take this off if I can. Alright, so taking that off, okay? But before you connect this, you want to secure the battery before you connect the wires. So you're gonna secure the battery with the stuff we took off of it, the battery holder thing that we took off of it, right? So this is like a little hook that actually hooked in the thing there, and that's it. And this is strapped across the battery, and that's it. Now we actually got it in its protected case. Put that shield over it, and then we're just gonna put that thing to it now, which is this to hold it in place. So now we got the battery securely in place. So just gonna connect the live, which is the red one, the plus, okay? And then we're gonna tighten this, okay, this right here, but you don't want it to be way too tight, okay? So just tighten it, and then we're gonna put that on. So now let's tighten it up really tight, and then carefully take that off, and then put it down. And that's how you change a battery in a Honda Civic. So let's try it and see if it starts. There you go. So let's go there. Let's check and see if it's in gear. Right. So it's gonna go. There you go, guys. One press, and we're good to go.